Why the heck do banks hate Bitcoin? You'd think they'd love money that makes money. But nope. Bitcoin walks into a bank and the alarms go off. Bitcoin's been around since 2009. And ever since then, big banks have been side-eyeing it like it just stole their lunch money. But why? What's so terrifying about some digital coins? Banks are like that one group project member who insists on doing everything, and Bitcoin is the kid who just starts his own project. See, Bitcoin runs on decentralization. No CEOs, no branches, no bank hours. That means people can send money without a middleman, aka without banks. And banks, they are the middleman. Banks make billions in fees. Wire fees, transfer fees, oh, you breathed wrong fees. Bitcoin skips that. You just pay a small fee to miners and boom, it's done. Less money for the banks, more rage for the banks. Banks are heavily regulated, like suit and tie, 100-page forms kind of regulated. Bitcoin, not so much. It's like trying to play Monopoly while someone else is using GTA cheat codes. That lack of control makes banks and governments very, very nervous. Bitcoin's price jumps more than your sleep schedule during finals week. Banks prefer stability. They deal in dollars and cents, not memes and moonshots. When something's that unpredictable, it's a liability, not an asset. To them at least. Here's the plot twist. Some banks don't hate crypto. They just hate Bitcoin. Why? Because they're working on their own digital currencies, ones they can control, regulate, and profit from. Bitcoin threatens that game. So why do banks hate Bitcoin? Because it cuts them out, undercuts their fees, breaks their rules, and refuses to wear a tie. But deep down, they don't hate it. They fear it. And what do people do when they're afraid? They fight it. Or try to copy it. Anyway, next time your bank charges you $35 for existing, remember, Bitcoin would never. That'll cost you one like and maybe a subscribe.